Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by removing anything that blocks paint adhesion. Clean the surface with mild soap and use 70% isopropyl to lift oils. Once dry, lightly sand with 400-600 grit to give the paint tooth. Make sure to wipe all dust away with a tack cloth so the primer bonds evenly. Apply a leather preparer or a thin deglazer coat and allow 10-15 minutes to flash off. This step prevents cracking and ensures the acrylic will stick rather than sit on top. Now you mix and control the paint for durability. Thin your acrylic 10-20% with water or a leather medium so it remains flexible and resists cracking when the leather bends. Use small synthetic brushes or a sponge to lay down thin, even coats. Short 10-15 minute flash times let solvents evaporate without pooling. Once done, lightly warm with low heat or air to set each layer and repeat until you have 3-5 consistent coats, which gives opacity without stiffness. Finish by protecting the work with a sealer. You should apply 1 to 2 thin coats of a compatible leather sealer, matte or satin depending on the look, and allow a full 24-48 hour cure before heavy use. Make sure to test flex and adhesion in a hidden spot so you catch issues early. If you see cracking or flaking, strip back with a deglazer, thoroughly re-clean and sand. Then reapply paint thinned with more leather medium to increase flexibility and prevent repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.